I know that most people are working harder than ever, but the paycheck isn't enough. Many are looking for a side hustle or a way to exit the rat race. If that's you, keep listening. I have a 12-week plan you're going to want to hear about. But before we get into that, if you are really serious about making money online, I'm talking as early as 24 hours from now, and for some of you in a few minutes. I need you to take this walk with me and listen to this full video, as this information is time sensitive with no distractions. Everyone has heard of the term internet money and the internet never sleeps. Would you like for me to show you how to make internet money on the internet that never sleeps while you sleep? Just as quick as you can go to a website, money could be flowing to you while you are living your daily life. And that is the true power of the internet and social media if you know how to use it. What I'm getting ready to share with you has never been shared like this before, and because of it, anyone who wants to make this idea a reality will have a clear path with us. Nobody is doing this the way we are doing it. What is this clear path that you speak of? There are 3 big specials happening over the next 3 months, but the biggest is happening right now in October, and it is life-changing. How would you like to earn instantly from the other people you bring into our opportunity that I train on Autopilot? Now payday can be every day and it can be instant. And if you follow our blueprint, we are going to show you 4 ways to make $300 to $900 per day, daily, all October. This is an important stepping stone to making more money in November. This is a global opportunity, so the world is ours, as not even 0.1% of the world is aware of this opportunity. We are doing more than growing a team. We are growing our last team, and we are more than a team. Cash Flow Society is our way of life. We are on a mission to give you your time back and a life of abundance. Are you ready to become one of the first families that we help? Then we will go back and we will help other families. The sooner you start, the sooner we can help you start earning. Although we do not guarantee earnings because our results are not typical, many will beat inflation with our process. You will never have to work alone. Everything has already been mapped out for you. You have never seen or felt leverage like this before. You can start earning today and every day after today. Take the next step with the 5MP Launchpad. Daily cash flow is the only option, and this is happening now. If you are ready to leave inflation behind, we want to welcome you to the 5MP Launchpad. We are live.